Bratans, we see the market is dumping right now, and a lot of people asking, is this right now the relief rally, is this over or not? I show you in this video my trades, and I show you exactly how low we can go if the relief rally is over, and if not, how high we can go. So let's start right now with the chart, because what is very important right now to know is this blue line. And this blue line, in case we are breaking into the downside, and in case we are breaking the daily 20 moving average, so this is about 35k, this would be a clear sign for us that the relief rally is over. So right now, no panic, the relief rally is not over yet. Very important, not only this chart to watch, but also the total crypto market cap, because this is exactly how we knew that the relief rally started, is as we broke out of the symmetrical triangle, as we broke here clearly out of that okay. And what is important, the price target is around $1.5 trillion. So we are clearly more near the top of the relief rally than the bottom. So it's very clear we are coming to an end of the relief rally, but there's still way to go to the upside. So right now, what is important for us, and by the way, you know what is so interesting, if we are looking the moon phases, if you believe it or not, it doesn't matter, but we have new moon, and exactly on new moon again we see dump. And usually I'm not an astrology guy, but usually we see with the likelihood of 60 to 70 to 80% on new moon a dump in the crypto market, on full moon a pump in the crypto market. So it's really pure how it called mathematics. That's crazy, right? So we see here dump, and I expecting here more cool down. Why? Because if we're watching the funding rates, look on Binance, we are heavily overbought, 1.8, on Bybit 1.24. So these funding rates we see, we are heavily overbought. Therefore expecting more correction here, which would be very healthy. Also, you see my trade is around $300 in profit, my short position on Bitcoin, and I'm hoping that we see even more correction, not only because I hope that my short is going to be successful, but also because I have new entries for my Aave position. You know, Aave, I took profits, I had 20k profits, took 20k profits, but this is very interesting. Wait, I'm switching quickly back here. So right now what I'm watching here, in case we are breaking here this blue line to the downside, right? So right now it's a very nice short opportunity. In case we are breaking the blue line and the daily support, this is when I'm expecting that we are heading to 30k. So for me, the clear sign, sorry, I was wrong what I told you before, because I meant in case we are breaking the weekly and monthly spot, in case we are breaking 30k to the downside, then I expecting that the relief rally is not over. So what I right now expecting is, in case we are breaking the blue line, I expecting that we will see another dump to 30k, which would mean 16%. But in the big picture, in case we are breaking this crucial support at 30k, which was also crucial support if we are watching in the past, this 30k is the most crucial level. You see it here around here at 30k is a lot of support and resistance. Here this was the bottom of the bull market, right? And here also it was a massive resistance line into when we came from the bear market 2020. So 30k, in case we are breaking to the downside, then where we are heading on the big picture, it's very clear where we are heading. If we are watching here the big picture on our huge chart, then we have this red support line. This red support line is around 21k, and as I told you yesterday already, at 21k we have also here CME gap, which is still not closed. We perfectly closed the CME gap above, which we had here at around 35k. You see it here very clearly, we closed it perfectly. If I'm zooming again out, you see it here, we closed it, but at 21k it's still open. So if you want it or not, I have a very high probability that we will see Bitcoin again at around 21k, either this year or start of next year, around the Bitcoin halving, which is in April. So this is very clear. However, as I told you, the relief rally is not over, and we see right now a relief rally in the altcoins, and it's also very clear because if we're watching Ethereum versus Bitcoin, we formed the triple bottom. We see we are bouncing here from this triple bottom, and this is a clear sign that the relief rally is not over. I'm expecting here another altcoin season to run. Right now the cool down is very healthy, and the cool down will go further, because if we are watching on the daily, we see a red dot appear. The red dot usually means that we will see a dump in the market. We are heavily overbought, and not only this, we see also a death cross appear. You see the red line cross the green line. It's always this called a death cross. This when we see Bitcoin and the whole crypto market tanking. It's okay. It's very healthy in my opinion. So no panic here. If you want, you can also jump into a short. Right now it's a very good opportunity, but be careful. Do your own research. I think you can take some profits at the blue line and at the daily support, and then let it go down to 30k in case we are going down to 30k. Make proper stop loss, very important. Be very careful, because we are still in the relief rally, so it can very quickly change. So very careful here, okay, brothers? If you want, you can claim $1,000 bonus on Bybit. Link is down below. You put $100 in, you get $1,000. You can use it for short or long position, how you want, brothers. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later.